my gaming room. It's in complete shambles right now. Let me just zoom this out a little bit. It's in shambles because I got this. Woo! Bones is happy about it. But yeah, I found this on Facebook Marketplace for like $50 and I'm gonna put all my stuff in it. It's very cool. I'm excited. Elbow. Shake. No. Good boy. Hello. I went to the art supply store 2 days ago, then I got distracted, but I really wanted to show you guys what I got. Okay, so the first place I went was Hobby Lobby, of course. I went to their clearance section and they had a pretty good deal on a couple of things. I only bought 2 things from there, but this is a sign pen micro brush. This is a micro brush sign pen, and I got it for $2.50, and it was normally like $10. Why does it do this? Come on, focus. I haven't even opened it because I've been waiting to show you guys. I'm gonna make an art with it, but there's this little picture here. It has like a little tiny brush. It's water-based ink, and I think it's gold and silver, or Yeah, gold and silver or gray. I don't know if it has like specks of like sparkly stuff in it, but we'll find out. I also got this canvas. I've never had like a long canvas before, so that's exciting. And it's pretty thick. Look at that. It's a thick boy. It was originally $24.99 and I got it for $2.50. I finally checked out the actual like local art supply store that's like locally owned. It's called Art Main and it's downtown in Minot. I love that little store. It's so cute. When you first walk in, it's like clothes, so it's like kind of like a clothing boutique, but when you get past that, it's all art supplies. And then there's like a framing store in the back, like a framing shop. So I was pretty excited about that. The only issue I had was that they didn't have any gouache, but they did have watercolors. It is Grumbacher, this brand that will not focus. They're made in the United States, so I thought that was kind of cool. But I got a yellow. It is a cadmium yellow, a sap green, cadmium red, and a phthalo blue. It was actually wanting white because I ran out, and I only have it in this Winsor & Newton little, it won't open. Oh my gosh, this little square. So I feel like that's not really a whole lot, but I'll probably just order some off Amazon. But yeah, so I'm excited to try these. I've never tried these paints before, so I'm gonna give that a go. They also had Prismacolor pencils, which I was very excited about, so I bought two that I don't have, Black Raspberry and Periwinkle. Neat. They also like use these little paper bags and they stamp them. I thought that was cute. I bought something that I don't have. A palette. Well, I have a palette, but I don't have this kind of palette. It closes and opens. I don't want to break it. Okay. But yeah. This is like a dream come true for me. But yeah, it closes. I can mix my own paint and like keep them in here. And then do little things. The possibilities are endless. It was only $5.49. It's not the airtight one. The airtight one was like $20, but I didn't feel like being bougie, so maybe next time. I'm gonna try the paints out with the color pencils and these pens. So these are the swatches from the watercolors I purchased. And then these are the two colored pencils. And this is the little brush pens that I got for like less than $3. And I just wanted to show you guys like the tip. Oh, there it is. Look at that, that's so cool. It's like a really tiny paintbrush. And I did a really quick just like raccoon thing just to see like how it would layer. And I like it. But I'm going to stop here because I have other paintings that I need to finish first. So I'm just going to do that in this video. Probably finish that one. I don't know, I might finish that one instead. Which one? Too many projects. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna finish that painting in this video. So, yay! The lighting is great. I'm really glad that that painting is done and over with. I'm not really feeling it. I was not really inspired to finish this, so I don't know why I made myself do it. Because now it looks like this. I just felt like I didn't know how to end it. Just like I don't know how to end these videos. But I just kept going and going and just like kept adding more things. And now I feel like it's too busy. Maybe if I come back to this with a clear mind, I will like it more. I'm probably just gonna scan it and then do some changes here and there, and if I like it enough, I'll be proud. But for right now, I'm not proud. I'm just glad that it's done. But I like this area, this like section, this like really just that's the main part that I like. Anyway, thanks for making it to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Bones says bye too. Bones, you gonna say bye? Bye. Say bye. Who's that?